I need, in Greek.
Χρειάζομαι.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and free practice. Ready to speak bold Greek? Today you'll master, I need, as.
Χρειάζομαι.
We'll turn everyday moments into confident requests, with laughs, drills, and a quick quiz. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say it fast, politely, and with a smile. Base form.
Χρειάζομαι.
Example.
Χρειάζομαι νερό.
Negative.
Δεν χρειάζομαι.
Example.
Δεν χρειάζομαι καφέ.
Question, yes, no.
Χρειάζομαι.
Say it with a rising tone. Polite add-on.
Παρακαλώ.
Example.
Χρειάζομαι βοήθεια, παρακαλώ.
Vocabulary. Time equals.
Χρόνος.
You'll often say.
Χρόνο.
In sentences. Vocabulary. Menu equals.
Κατάλογος.
Accusative.
Κατάλογο.
Closing parenthesis dot. Cafe dialogue. Jump into a mini cafe scene, listen first, then echo me. You.
Χρειάζομαι νερό, παρακαλώ.
Server. Coming right up. You add.
Χρειάζομαι έναν κατάλογο.
Oops, spill. You.
Χρειάζομαι βοήθεια.
Crisis averted. You.
Δεν χρειάζομαι καφέ.
Water wins. Laugh break. Because language loves a laugh. A genie appears. 3 wishes. You whisper dramatically.
Χρειάζομαι.
More wishes. The genie sighs and hands you.
Νερό.
Instead. Drills. Say it with need. Your turn, short bursts. Repeat after me. Say, I need water, please. Answer.
Χρειάζομαι νερό, παρακαλώ.
Say, I need help. Answer.
Χρειάζομαι βοήθεια.
Say, I need time. Answer.
Χρειάζομαι χρόνο.
Say, I need a menu. Answer.
Χρειάζομαι έναν κατάλογο.
Now the negative. I don't need a pen. Answer.
Δεν χρειάζομαι ένα στυλό.
Contrast. I want coffee, but I need water. Answer.
Θέλω καφέ, αλλά χρειάζομαι νερό.
Culture tip. Sound local, not robotic. In Greece, a friendly tone plus.
Παρακαλώ.
Goes far. Gesture with an open palm and say.
Χρειάζομαι έναν καφέ, παρακαλώ.
Or.
Χρειάζομαι νερό.
Bonus. Tap your chest when you say.
Χρειάζομαι.
To anchor the meaning. Quick quiz. Let's check it fast, answer out loud. 1. Greek for, I need. Answer.
Χρειάζομαι.
2. Say, I need water, please. Answer.
Χρειάζομαι νερό, παρακαλώ.
3. True or false.
Θέλω.
Means, I need. Answer. False, it means, I want. 4. Fill the blank.
Χρειάζομαι κάτω παύλα κάτω παύλα κάτω παύλα κάτω παύλα.
Opening parenthesis.
Βοήθεια.
Slash.
Νερό.
Slash.
Χρόνο.
Closing parenthesis dot. Challenge. Need versus want. Level up your nuance. Make 2 sentences. I want bread, and I need time. Answers.
Θέλω ψωμί. Χρειάζομαι χρόνο.
At a restaurant. Do you have a menu? I need a menu. Say the need part.
Χρειάζομαι έναν κατάλογο.
Time check. Say, I don't need time.
Δεν χρειάζομαι χρόνο.
Goodbye. Nice work, your Greek just leveled up. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Χρειάζομαι.
In your day, sticky notes, fridge moments, cafe lines. For more episodes, exercises, and culture bites, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.